All right, guys, let's see. Still on the COVID, nothing but fun, looking like crap. But also got another problem. I've got eggs upon eggs upon eggs. So I think I would take the opportunity to make you a little bit of an egg glassing video. Let's knock this out. First things first, you've got to create a solution. I like to make my solution before I decide to start dropping eggs in. I'm going to use this little... I'm going to use this little 14-pound bucket. A lot of people like to use jars, but jars are very expensive right now, and this little bucket is really easy to just continue to drop eggs into the solution. So what we need to do is measure out the amount of water that we need, so we're going to do that now. Okay, so we're going to start with 5 quarts, and it's normally 1 ounce of pickling lime. Also, the chemical name for that is on the back here someplace. Calcium hydroxide lime. So we're going to use 1 ounce per quart, and I like to mix the solution first. That way it's easier to just to put the eggs in instead of taking the chance of breaking things and messing all sorts of stuff up. So let me adjust the camera here so we can get a little bit better angle. Maybe you guys can see a little bit more, I think. There we go. So we'll get our scale out here. We're going to get 5 ounces of lime. I'm going to see how much this is. Okay, so it looks like one of these is roughly, I'm making a mess. And that stuff stinks, 1.25. So we're going to drop that in there. We're making a mess with this. $1.25, huh? Okay. But we need 5 ounces. So I'm going to call that 1.25, so that's now 2.5. And that should be about 5 ounces. I feel like I made some kind of lab error mixing that together, but I'm also not super concerned about it. So now we're just going to go ahead and mix this up, solution up. Get as much of this. I probably could have done this a hell of a lot better. So I think I'm going to add some water to it. Basically what you need is to make sure that it's a clean egg and it doesn't have any fecal matter or any other things on it, but you have not washed it. That's the key thing right there. So, and then we just put it down inside there, and I've already got these pre-selected so that I know that they're clean. I've been keeping them separate from the other, what I would call dirty eggs. Then I'm just going to put these in here one at a time. I'm set to the bottom. That one's got a little bit of stuff on it. We're going to set that to the side. That's fine. I guess the key thing here is just to be as gentle as possible. That way, you know, if you don't want to break the eggs, obviously. And I'm using this size bucket because I can take this bucket. What is that? That's nothing. I can take this bucket and put it on the floor and set it to the side and just continue to put eggs on top of it little by little by little. That one's dirty. Until, let me get this other one. As the season goes on, I can just add more and more eggs. And then these will be basically my long-term storage eggs. And these should be good for a year setting in this solution. And then I can just pull them out as I need them, rinse them off, and then use them. And I know it's probably, you're probably not seeing much, but these eggs are starting to pile up inside this bucket. Okay, I'm out of clean eggs. Let me double check these. Yeah, these are all dirty. All right, so now I've, let me see if I can get some of this, get this off of me, because my hands are getting pickled. Move the camera over there real quick for you. I don't know if you guys can actually see them down there now. But yeah, now I've got a, I don't know, probably 40, maybe 50 eggs inside of there. And then all we do is, and I've already obviously washed these. I wish I had a screw-on lid for this, but this is one of those Walmart buckets that I keep telling you to go buy. You can buy this bucket with this lid at Walmart for $1. Just go to the bakery section. And then all you do is just pop this top on there, and it's got a little seal on it and everything. There we go. And then all I'll do is I'll take this and stuff it in a corner someplace, and when I get extra eggs, I will just throw them in there. And yeah, that's how you make long-term egg preserves, or water glass, or whatever. God, that sounds awful. All right, guys, I think that's about it. I got a little bit of a mess to clean up here. Sorry for the impromptus of the video, but like I said, I am getting over COVID, and the eggs had to be done, and someone was asking for the video, so I made the video. All right, guys, until the next time, stay safe, have a great day, and I'll see you when I see you. Bye-bye. It's really easy, just down there. Down there. Hello, Penny. Yeah, just down there. Bye.